Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed HTML code in Hostinger Website Builder. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Hostinger panel. On the left hand side, click on Websites, and here you'll see all your websites listed. Come here, click on Edit Website for the one you want to embed HTML code in. And this will open up your website editor. On the left hand side, okay, you'll see all of these. Come here, click on Elements, and you can add elements. So just go ahead and scroll down until you see Embed Code. Okay, you can just click on it or you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and just bring it right there. Okay, and then what we'll do, we will just go ahead and click here, as you can see, then click on Enter Code. Now here you're able to type in your custom code. You can just paste it in and you're done. Really that easy. Then just click on Embed Code. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.